Hi everyone, this is KGbo Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video. Itong Barda compilation again. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. G.
At mga kapuso
Ano to?
natin dyan, I'm with the one
Ay,
and only pambansang
Ito yung mga hindi ko napanood.
Of course, since Maria Clara days, I'm here na.
Yeah.
Full
Ay.
support talaga. First of all, congratulations. Kakaiba to. I watched the trailer and it looks fun. So I'm curious, anong klaseng character ba yung ipoportray mo dito, David, sa samahan ng mga makasalanan?
Si Reverend Sam is someone who is very
Ito yung mga
objective
repost
and
niya.
consistent. He just wants to
Okay.
help people, bring them to good light. Coming into a city na medyo maraming kasalanan, actually maraming may kasalanan. He had no expectations. Seeing all those people na may mga kasalanan nga, syempre, that's due to him. May mga lumalandi sa kanya. Nakikita siya ng
Okay.
tao. So, I just tried my best to bring them again to good light.
Medyo naging usap-usapan na parang the main theme is about
Hindi ko ito
people who have
napanood, ah.
sins.
Yeah.
And then the Holy Week is coming.
Yeah.
They saying na it's kind of controversial. So for you, ano yung masasabi mo sa mga naka-interpret ng ganito dito sa movie?
Because I
Di mo
believe
kaya.
everybody commits sins, especially when you were younger.
Oo.
And that's okay. It's a feel-good movie.
It's okay. Ang
Just
sweet
let
niya,
people
no?
to
Charis.
understand
Ang
na
sweet. What is
sin
sweet?
before does not define who you are now and that you can change. Hey everybody, please watch Samahan ng Mga
Hindi ko to
Makasalanan,
napanood.
April
Ang dami
19,
pala.
Cinemas nationwide.
Sama-sama tayo. Lahat naman tayo makasalanan.
Lahat naman tayo makasalanan. Ay, wait lang. 9/10, the reviews of this movie. Sobrang laugh trip ng movie at may aral sa huli, lalo na sa part na nung bata. At ang galing ni Ginoo sa role niya to. Napaka-natural ng pagiging innocent ni Reverend. Kaya nakakatuwa. Congrats, Reverend Sam. Sa manong, oh my God. Maganda daw talaga. True ba? Ganda pala talaga.
Hey, what's up mga kamag-anak at mga kapuso natin dyan? I'm with the one and only pambansang Ginoo, David Licauco.
Mm-mm.
Hello.
Thank you for coming here.
Of course, since Maria Clara days, I'm here
Yeah.
na. Full support talaga. First of all, congratulations.
For support
Kakaiba
talaga.
to.
Ay, wait lang.
I watched the trailer. and
Ito ba
it
yun?
looks fun.
1.3?
So I'm
Okay,
curious,
napanood
ano-
na natin to. Bakit inulit niya? Ay, ang gwapo niya talaga. Ang gwapo niya talaga ni Ginoo. Hindi, ang dami hindi napapanood. Ano ba yan? Ang gwapo talaga ni Ginoo. Di ba? Iba talaga ang Ginoo natin for today's video. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Gawan din natin si Barbie. Yung mga repost niya. Okay. What's next?
Happens, but then
Ay!
sometimes naisip mo rin na
Ito na repost niya. The soft side of David Licauco. Family and kids. Ay! Gusto niya na talaga. Gusto niya na pala talaga mag-ano. Gusto niya na, what do you call this? Parang nararamdaman ko na bet niya na talagang magkaroon ng pamilya.
naisip mo rin na gusto mo
Diba? Kasi actually nasa Asia din naman siya. Kahit sabihin niya na, pero kung sa bagay, indication na din yun na parang kung darating man at darating man, yun na yun. Parang yun yung indication niya, di ba, sa interview niya, na parang, okay, kung darating man, edi darating, kung hindi. Pero, always, ready na siya. Parang ganun.
Kunyari yung mga anak mo, teenager na, gusto mo mag-basketball pa with them, kung ano mo yung sports
Parang
nila.
ganun ang atake.
Siyempre sumasagip pa rin sa utak mo. Can I do? Wala.
Wala. Totoo nga naman.
Do you have that thing that by this age, I should get married?
I used to have that.
Ano yung sinasabi mo na?
Gusto ko 30 or 50.
Have you changed your mind?
I think now it's more of go with the flow na lang talaga. But then, of course,
It can happen earlier.
yeah, whatever happens.
But if you have your way, sabi ko nga, ride the tide.
Yeah,
If it,
definitely.
this year, next year, you're ready to get married. I mean, ready meaning, yun nga, pinag-usapan natin, politically, financially, emotionally, intellectually. You are ready.
Emotionally, I think I'm ready. Financially, physically, I'm ready. Career-wise, I'm not ready. So, I'm not in ready.
Oh, but that's 3 to 1.
Ay, kaya pa talaga dapat, ma'am.
I mean, one thing is to be ready and one thing is to be limited.
Pero,
Ay,
kumusta ka?
I'm happy.
kamusta ka?
Why
I'm
do you
happy.
say
Ay,
It's
positive mindset.
Diba? Like the way I see things.
Ang gwapo
now,
niya.
I always try
Ganun
to
pala
see
siya.
everything. Like for example, before, kapag ako'y busy, kapag marami akong ginagawa, I tend to magreklamo. I would complain about, shucks, I'm tired, parang I wanna rest.
Tired.
But now,
Oh
the way I
my.
see things, I think it's more of,
So, are you in love?
Matured na talaga siya, no? Matured na talaga siya mag-isip. Ibang-iba na talaga siya sa David Licauco that we used to know. Or that I used to know, should I say.
Mas accepted ko na lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay ko. It's more of that. And, syempre, naging single ako since September, so I've been really working on myself. Then, all for self-improvement. Every day, I try my best. So, yeah, I'm generally happy and mas nakita ko yung mga, mas appreciate ko lahat ng bagay.
Ay.
Let's do fast talk. Okay.
Ay, ito yung fast talk niya, yung fast talk.
David,
Yeah?
Yeah.
makasalanan, mayaman.
Gusto ko talaga ito yung fast talk niya.
Manunukso, magpapatukso.
Marunokso.
Magmamahal, mamahalin.
Ay,
Mamahalin.
Ay,
Rumami ng
mamahalin.
Medyo bastos.
Mga ginoo.
Maginoo.
Matinik, maharot.
Matinik.
Matinig.
Malambot, matigas.
Matigas.
Ay, matigas. Charis.
Matigas.
Matigas ba?
Kulang sa kain o
Bakit
kulang
malandi
sa
tayo? Hindi tayo magiging malandi for today's
Sa
video, ha?
Kain.
yakap, halik.
Yakap.
Binibaby mo, binibaby ka.
Binibaby ako.
Love song ng buhay mo.
Love song ng buhay ko. Oh my God. Top of mind would be Iris, Just Love the Song.
Sign
Ay.
that you are in love.
Sign that you're in love. When you're just happy with everything, I guess.
Bahagi ng katawan na gusto mong minamasahe.
Ay,
Um,
ano nga yung sagot? Ulo?
Bahagi ng katawan na gusto mong hinahawakan.
bahagi ng katawan na gusto mo na.
Oo.
Kamay.
Kamay.
Pinakapogi ka kapag
Kapag ako ay
Ano?
nakikipag-date.
Ay,
pinakamabait ka kapag
Kapag nagawa ko lahat ng kailangan kong gawin.
kinikilig ka kapag
Nakikita mo yung type mo.
galante ka kapag
sa girlfriend. Charis.
kuripot ka kapag
Sa kaibigan.
oo, hindi, depende. Umami ng kasalanan.
Oo.
Oo, hindi depende. Isumbong ang may kasalanan.
Oo.
Oo, hindi depende. Maghubot-hubad sa pelikula.
Ay,
Hindi.
so wala talaga tayong
Oo,
chance.
hindi depende.
Charis.
Magka-girlfriend.
So wala talaga pala tayong chance.
Depende.
Oo, hindi depende. Manligaw kay Barbie.
So wala talaga tayong chance. Ay,
Depende.
depende.
Lights on,
Di mo
lights
kaya.
Lights on.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Ay,
Best time for
happiness. At least.
Daytime.
Dating sarap.
Baka
Charis.
ng isang samahan. Ano?
Ewan. Anyways, there you go guys. So that's all for today's video. Our Barda compilation. This is KG Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!